Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the ng on destroy lifecycle hook in the Angular. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So the ng on destroy lifecycle hook in Angular is used to perform the cleanup operations before a component's directive or the service is destroyed. So this hook is crucial for preventing memory leak and ensuring that any resources used by the component are properly released. When to use ng on destroy, unsubscribe from the observable to prevent memory leaks by unsubscribing from the subscriptions when the component is destroyed, clear intervals or the timeouts to clear any set interval or the same timeout that might still be running. You have to clear that one. Then you have to use the ng on destroy, detach event listeners to remove any event listeners added manually, or clean up resources to clean up any resources like the WebSocket connections, DOM elements, or the global services. So in that scenario, we have to use that one. How we can? What is the syntax of that one? So syntax is ng on destroy, and whatever you want to destroy, like here you can see that we have the set interval id, and I'm going to clear it with the help of clear interval, this dot interval id. Okay, and on destroyed we have to import it from the Angular core, and and use the implement method for this. Okay, so this is how we can use the ng on destroy. And without any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.